And we're back. We're back in the room. So I'm going to clean the spoon with a spoon. Double spooning. The big spoon and little spooning. I've stupidly used this and it's clearly got a hole in it, and I don't know how I'm going to dig that. Use up ingenuity. Boom. Okay. Okay. Look at this. Big bowl of slop. That looks good to me though. Alright. Baking tin, baking tray, bread tray, whatever you call it. Got it for $5 in the local warehouse. Right, I'm gonna butter up this tray with some butter. It's all slippy. The bread will slip out easily. So I'm gonna butter this bad boy up. Alright. For any foreign viewers, bacon is quite big in Ireland. In fact, one of the most famous people in the whole of Ireland is a baker. His name is Pat, and no one actually knows his second name. But everyone knows that he's first for freshness. Everyone, the whole country knows that. Except, that's not even a word, man! Except when there's a bit of snow in the country, old Pat, he doesn't deliver the bread, so I heard. But anyway, there you go. That's buttered up. Now, pouring this into this. Got another spoon here to do this will do. It looks like I've got way more mixture than I can fit in my tin, but see how it goes anyway. This is another absolute banger. If anyone knows what movie this tune is from, major respect. I'd say absolutely no one does. So I'm going to tell you the movie, Kingpin. With Woody Harrelson and Bill Murray. Absolute hilarious movie. An underrated fucking hilarious movie. I highly recommend it if you like Farrelly Brothers, Dumb and Dumber, any of those movies. It's one of their underrated ones. Before they got really shit and started making like Stuck on You. Even or Stuck on Me, that's not too bad. Their newer stuff, my god. Movie 43, dear lord. Has anyone ever seen, if you've seen that, hands down the worst movie ever fucking made. And it's got like the most famous cast ever. It's absolute garbage. So just to let everyone know, don't ever watch that movie. Whoever recommends it to you, get them psychologically checked out because they're not with it. Right, we're getting there. This has not been too bad at all. Happy about this. So, again, double spooning, spooning. Again, I picked a stupid big spoon because it's getting caught in all the little bits. So I'm not taking there. So I'll just do that again. It's a family program, man. Okay, I'll stop doing that. It's not a fucking family program. Alright, so I've got all it. It's looking good. It's looking good. So it's all in here. It's not overflowing or anything. It's up to about, on the tin, just over halfway, which is I'm happy about. So I'm just flattening them down. I'm just making it look, get all the edges, getting it in there. Can't wait for this. Brown bread. Just a little home comfort all the way out here in New Zealand. This is going to be an educational program, so I'll teach you a few Maori words. Luke Diner again. Maori word number 1. Hello. Kia ora. Easy to remember. Just remember kia ora. A cordial with the funny ad. Kia ora. Done. Easiest word to know. Hello. Kia ora. I'll also tell you another word I learnt that I don't know why I learnt it, but I heard it a shitload on a building site here when I was working there. Fufu. I heard a lot and I was like, what? So I asked one of the local Islander lads, I was like, what's fufu mean? It means to have a wank. So I was like, oh. I wasn't expecting that. So just makes me think that there was a lot of wanking going on in that building site and I had no idea about it. Which is fucking mank. But anyway, do as you will with that information. Absolutely useless. But those are 2 words. The words for today. So now, what I'm describing, I'm sprinkling my seeds. Seeding it up. So I got pumpkin and sunflower. It's looking good. Both delicious seeds. You know what? I won't cook. Yeah, no, it's okay. Spread them out evenly, kind of nice mix, these 2 I think. Seeds are good. I think the first time I tried sunflower seeds, this is a weird memory thing, but when we were in primary school, in kind of like a religious camp crowd for the day, to tell us about Jesus Christ. Of course they did. It was Catholic School Ireland. And there was a table with all the food that they used to eat back in Jesus' time. And all the food was absolutely shite. Some dried fish. I just remember the seeds. Eating the seeds going. They were the nicest of whatever was there. Yeah, so what the fuck? I thought they just had loaves and bread. Or loaves and fish. Alright, anyway, I digress. Done, look at this. I'm going to show you what it looks like, because it's, do you know what, I'm thinking it's looking pretty decent here. Ooh. Happy with that, man. So that's going in the oven. A preheated oven. Preheated oven for 1 hour at 170 degrees is what the brother told me. So let's do it. Let's fucking do it. In your pop. So 1 hour. I'm gonna put a. I'll just check the time. It's now 10 minutes past 3. No, you idiot. It's 10 minutes past 1. The 13 for some reason, I thought it was in 3. 10 past 1, so 10 past 2, I'm going to take that out. And hope to God this has actually worked. I'm going to show you the finished product. And yeah, hopefully we'll be able to eat it.